Welcome to the Honda Financial Services Personal Contract Purchase video. We've been helping Honda customers purchase their Honda products for over 20 years. We're authorized and regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority. We are accredited members of the Institute of Customer Service, which means we're committed to providing an excellent customer experience. Personal Contract Purchase is one of 3 finance products available to you from Honda to help finance your car. PCP is one of the most popular forms of car financing because it gives you flexibility at the end of the agreement and a lower monthly payment compared to alternative products like hire purchase. PCP allows you to keep your monthly repayments lower by deferring a proportion of the credit to the end of the agreement, and also giving you the flexibility of 3 options at the end. So, how does this work? Firstly, choose the car you want and agree how much deposit you would like to put down. Then estimate how many miles you will drive each year, and then consider how long you would like your agreement to run, between 2 and 4 years. We will then use this information to calculate a guaranteed future value, GMFV. This is what we predict the value of your car to be worth at the end of the agreement. The guaranteed future value is deferred until the end of your agreement. Your monthly payments are worked out on the difference between the GMFV and the price of the car once your deposit has been taken off and interest added. This means you have lower fixed monthly repayments. At the end of your agreement, you have the flexibility of 3 options. You can keep your car, pay the final payment and the option to purchase fee, and you will own the car outright. Or you can hand your car back to us without paying the final payment. If you have exceeded your agreed mileage or the car is not in a good condition, then there may be additional charges to pay. And finally, your third option is you can part exchange your car, then, together with your Honda dealer, you can start looking for your next Honda. PCP may not be right for you, so please review our other hire purchase and personal contract hire product videos to make sure you choose the right product to suit your needs.